Admission. Monarch University is a private university located at ESC Ota, Ogun State, Nigeria. Monarch University is offering admission into their school for a wide range of programs such as accounting, banking and finance, business administration, economics, entrepreneurship, mass communication, sociology, criminology and security studies. Monarch University is approved by the federal government of Nigeria. Here are some courses available per faculty. Faculty of Basic and Applied Science, Biological Science, Data Science, Computer Science, Software Engineering, Cybersecurity, Information and Technology. Requirement: a minimum of 5 O-level credit in WAEC, NECO or GC. Not more than 2 sitting in relevant subject. Monarch University. Our facilities are as follows: male and female hostels, uninterrupted power supply, hygienic and stable water supply, modern and standard science laboratory, biology laboratory, chemistry lab, physics lab, computer lab, language lab, general lab, ICT, library, e-library, university health center, university museum, multipurpose hall, student center, sports center, cafeteria, mass communication video studio, mass communication radio studio, economic lab, accounting lab, lawn tennis, basketball, football, indoor sport, conducive and spacious lectures hall, large parking space, and humanities. Monarch University. Admission and registration is ongoing. For more information and inquiry, please visit our website at monarchuniversity.edu.ng. You can also call at +234 80332 78474. Monarch University, academic empowerment and spiritual development.